Hello my dear friends, I am Sujoy and today is Sunday morning and I've got some clothes to wash, but my washing machine is faulty. So how to wash clothes without washing machine? I will tell you in this life hack. First, take some water in the bucket, add your clothes and then just use this motion, left and right motion, for 1 or 2 minutes. Basically, washing machines work on the same principle. They use motors to do the thing, but here you are using your manual power. And you can see the dirt has come out. If you want to add some detergents, you can do that, but add the detergents before adding the clothes, and add a very little quantity of detergents compared as you use in your washing machine. So friends, this was my tutorial on life hack. If you like the video, please like it using the like button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. By subscribing, you will get updates whenever I upload my next video. So thanks for watching and stay connected.